This is the newer one, which is GL729 UV plus coater. So our experience with KOMORI GL640 has been very extremely positive. Productivity, versatility and future ready. Hello everyone, I am Abhinav Gupta. I am the director of Globe Print Industries Private Limited. This company was established as a proprietor company in 1995 by my dad Rahul Gupta. His journey has been very unique in terms of that we started our operations with plastic packaging, and very recently we moved into paper packaging. The first printing press which we invested was KOMORI GL640 in the year 2017. And this is the newer one, which is GL729 UV plus coater. This we have bought just this year. Our experience with KOMORI GL640 has been very extremely positive in terms of production, quality, reliability and effective production. As the customer demands were increasing for premium packaging and quality, we felt the need to further strengthen our productivity. GL729 coater UV-IR offers a higher efficiency and productivity across different substrates. As the demand of customers were increasing, and to stay ahead of the market, we planned for this investment. Customer today expect more than just packaging. They want premium finishes, they want good turnaround time, they want the product to stand out in the shelf, and they want more premium finishes that can happen on print. GL729 UV coater plus IR helps us to effectively increase the production, give better print finishes to the customer, and it enhances also the print quality. The GL729 UV plus coater plus IR gives us a very effective changeover between substrates. It gives us more versatility, and we can offer better print finishes to the customer. We can do aqueous coating as well as UV based coating on the same machine effectively, and turnaround time is very less. This investment has been a key milestone for Globe Print and Pack. In the last 5 years, we have expanded our production from let's say about 500,000 cartons a day to almost 1,500,000 cartons every day. KOMORI GL729 UV plus coater has also helped us increasing this production. This has also been the part of Globe's broader vision to expand in premium segment, to do more kappa boxes, rigid packaging, and also give customer a better delivery times and to meet the customer's demands. Sustainability has always been a key component of Globe's ideology. At Globe, environmental responsibility and business growth goes hand in hand. The effective need of buying KOMORI GL729 coater was to reduce waste, increase productivity, control ink wastage, control all kinds of wastage on the machine. We also needed a machine which was more sustainable in terms of productivity, as in if we could in the same consumption of energy, if we could produce more, it also leads us to improve sustainability. What I feel is technological investment should be a strategic investment, and rather than just the cost based or just simply cost based planning. The investment you should look at the investment in terms of future, in terms of what are your customers' needs, and majorly to increase your productivity. In the current market scenario where labor cost is also increasing day by day, and there is a shortage of labor day by day, these technological investments will help you to further enhance your productivity, not just productivity but also your quality, and also delivering the products in time to the customers. Productivity, versatility, and future ready. These are the three words that describe KOMORI. Productivity, because KOMORI presses are very high efficient. They can produce almost 16,500 sheets an hour. Versatility, because on our press we have taken a combination of UV and IR, which helps us print vast variety of substrates. And future ready, because the technology is almost equipped with AI, which can help operator, or it can reduce the operator's workload, and it can also give you better efficiency.